Hey everyone, and welcome to EdTech Hustle. Today we are going to talk about the eraser feature that's available in Canva. So if you have an image in any design that you want to erase parts of, you have a few different options. So let's take this photo right over here. So if I select eraser, you'll see that there's two different options. There's the magic eraser and there's the pixel eraser. So we're going to start with the magic eraser. What the magic eraser will allow you to do is to remove certain parts of the photo that you don't want, and in its place it is going to try to fill that in with what's called generative fill, which is essentially using AI to kind of determine what should be in the absence of what you want to remove. So I'm going to select magic eraser, and I'm just going to adjust my brush size kind of like this. I am going to erase just this whatever this is, and this man right over here, this little structure in the background. And now I'm going to select erase, and in just a few moments Canva is going to erase that for me. You can see now it kind of looks just like a big blob kind of. Of course, I can do this again. This is what sometimes you have to do a few different times until you get the result that you want. So I can erase that several times until I feel that it's removed to the point where it's not going to be a distraction. Now, the background is kind of in a blurred focus, so it may not work as well with this example, but hopefully this gives you an idea of what the magic eraser can do. Now, if you don't want to just use that option where we use the brush tool, there is a click tool where you can just click items here that you may not want. Now, again, this is not the best example for it because Canva has a hard time kind of determining certain things, but let me just try to click this to remove it, and I'll just select erase. And you should see that item is now gone. And it's pretty interesting technology because you can almost see that it tried to match the reflection from above. So that is not there. So that's the magic eraser. It will allow you to remove certain parts of the background or certain parts of a photo that you might not want. Now, here's an example. What I want to do here is I want to remove this generic white screen from this photo. Now, there isn't a tool, there isn't a feature in Canva that will allow me to just like automatically choose a color and then to remove it. So in this case, I need to use the second option, and that is the pixel eraser. So what the pixel eraser will do is it's going to allow you to erase a certain amount of pixels, in this case, this white screen, and it's going to make that transparent. So I can just take this. Now, I may even want to make my size a little bit bigger, kind of like that. I'm just going to go in and erase all of this. Now, this is going to get a little tricky because I don't want to do the edges because I don't know if I can hit them with this brush. Just like that. Okay, kind of like that. There we go. And now I'm just going to make that a little smaller. And I'm just going to go around those edges and try to get everything else, all of that white, off of there. Now I have to go around the fingertips as well. Now this one is not going to be perfect, but hopefully this kind of gives you an idea of how this feature works. I won't go all the way because I'm really going to have to probably make this small and just get all of this white spot around. But now that that's out of the way, I can put a different image in its place. All right, so now if I paste this image of an iPhone, I can kind of make this bigger. I'm just going to take this, and actually before I send that to back, I'm just going to go like this, right click, we will go to layer, I'm going to send that to back, just like that. And look at that, now I have the phone right over here. And then from here, again, I can select my image, do eraser. I'm going to use the pixel eraser, and I'm just going to try to go in and, again, just get rid of all of that white exterior that's on there, just to kind of hide that a little bit better, but you get the idea. So hopefully this video shows you a little bit about what you can do in Canva and the difference between the magic eraser and the pixel erasers. So if you found this video to be helpful, it would be awesome if you could subscribe or leave a super thanks, or if you have questions, leave a comment in the comment area below.